Hello guys, we got a package here from LAZADA and it says something. Let's try to check it out. Hmm. This is a package which has no description. Tingnan natin. Uh, Focus on me, darling. Right, ito na yun. As sa makikita natin, hindi siya ganun kaganda yung package guys. So, let's try to see. This is actually
Attache case.
it's not just a touchy case guys. Focus on me. Yan. But this is a charger. No, it's not. Ito yung attache case type na and a turntable. Look. Ito siya guys. This is a turntable. Para sa akin, it's just been cheaply made. Pero let's try if functionable ba talaga. Try natin to plug in. Euro plug. Let's check. Wait for a while. Alright, let's try to plug it in. DC. Okay. Ganyan lang para ma-focus nyo. Para makita nyo naman. Switch on. Okay. Hmm. 33 on. Okay, let's get some vinyl record. Try natin to. Chicago. Wait muna. Alright, pasensya na guys. Okay, let's try this one. Ito yung para sa adapter niya, but we don't need this because we'll be using the 33. This one. Hmm, i-try natin. On. Okay, it's spinning. We'll try. Oh wait, sorry. Meron pa pala siyang ano. Safety first. Then go. Hmm. Meron siyang built-in na speaker. As you can see. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring meaning to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I need you. And I know, yes, I know that it's plain to see. So in love when we're together. Now I know that I need you here with me. From tonight until the end of time. You should never meet me now. Everywhere I go, always on my mind. You in my heart, in my soul. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I. No one needs you more than see, okay naman yung ano, pero mm, tinatanong ko lang. So, automatic yung ano niya. Once you get in there, gaganon na yan. Mag-i-spin na siya automatically. Once you put it down, okay, babalik siya dun sa slot niya. Lock it. Switch is off. Alright. So, this is it guys. Para sa akin. This turntable is just for fun. Not meant for, hindi siya meant for something like audiophile or
if you want to listen to a real music, hindi siya advisable siguro. It's just for fun, pero maganda din yung tunog niya. You can't really expect kasi yung stylus niya is just ordinary. Unlike this one, because I'm really used into this. Oh, I'll show you something. Hi, say hi na.
Gayon na.
Okay. Alright. Ito yun. This is my Rega Planner 1. So, the music is really awesome. Kaya you can't really compare that turntable into this. So, we'll try nga to we'll try to connect the auxiliary from the amplifier. Let's try to check. Wait. So here guys, na-connect ko na yung bagong turntable natin into an amplifier. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano, how would it work, pero let's try. So, plug ko dito sa my headphone muna. Then we'll
Dili ka mag-towel?
try to sit. And spinning around. Let's down the needle. Oh. Wow.
You know our love was meant to be.
I'm surprised.
Kind of love to last forever.
The sound's still awesome.
And I want you here with me. From tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go. Always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring meaning to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me? I wanna have you near me. Say yeah. I need you more than I
Actually, maganda yung tunog niya guys. I was so surprised.
Yes, I know that's good to see.
We'll try another genre. Maghahanap tayo ng ibang... Okay. Wait muna.
From tonight until the end of time, you should know.
Wow. Alright. Set.
My mind, my heart,
Let's try this.
you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring meaning.
Okay. Whew. That was awesome. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganun yung sounds niya. It's really acceptable. More than acceptable. Let's try this one. Okay. Still at 33 RPM. Itaas natin ng konti para makita nyo ng konting-konti. Sorry. Dikit ng konti na lang din. Alright. Then, let's turn the music on. Get down, DJ. Volume natin. Wow!
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on
Hindi siya
me.
masyadong sensitive, ah.
I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't.
It's really for fun. Papakita ko sa inyo how does it work para ma-compare natin.
Come on, come on. You and me could make it end. For now, we can stay here for a while.
Tanggalin natin.
'Cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. No matter where you go,
These two.
no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save.
Okay. Lock muna. Safety first. Then, take Charlie out. I-try natin si Rega, ha? Close mo na. Again, we'll try Charlie na lang. Okay, para may ano tayo. Again, si Charlie na lang din yung ito-try natin. So, this Rega planner, guys, is totally manual. So, there's always a connection between you and the music. Kasi, kailangan mo siyang bantayan talaga. And it has a anong tawag dun? But anyway, let's go. So, i-on mo muna before it spins. And turn down the needle. Seriously.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save
The difference.
the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away.
Okay, so nakita na yung difference, pero still, yung bagong turntable natin is pretty awesome. It's for the price kasi That's only, I guess, around 2,000 something. And I'll try to check kung magkano talaga yun. So, ilalagay ko lang sa link below. But then again, so, for me, it's still worth buying talaga. Napakaganda niya eh. Yung sound lang ha. Pero yung pagkagawa talaga, it's not that really kind of premium for the look. Pero, still acceptable kasi yung mga variation talaga na ganito, it would worth around 5,000 something. Pero ito, it's only around 2,000 plus. Yung brand pala nito guys, I think it's just generic, pero yung company is parang do color yata, do cooler or something. Pero hindi lang ganito yung mga binibenta nila. Meron din yung iba ko nabili, but I still have to check it out. Pero talaga, seriously, recommended ko. I would recommend this one for fun. And siguro, yeah, for fun. Kasi, it's really cool. See? So, that's it for today. And, I hope there's something you have learned from this. Don't judge it. Don't judge the attache case by its cover. Yun. Alright, so thank you for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye. Don't judge attache case by its cover kasi tingnan mo naman yung cover nyo. It's just like that. And but for real, the sound's still awesome.